Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a few cases from Speck for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And a big thanks to Speck for sending these out for review. And the first one we're going to take a look at here is the Presidio Perfect Clear Grip. So this one comes in at a price of $49.99. This is the only variation, clear in chrome. So you can see we have that really nice chrome MagSafe ring. 13-foot drop protection. You also have the grips on there, so it helps it not to slip and slide. MagSafe, and you have their ClickLock, which helps to keep accessories on the back of your phone. So of course you have MagSafe, but things may slip around. This ClickLock is just an indentation here, but it helps to keep accessories locked in so they don't move around or fall off. Now, because this has some decent drop protection, it's going to be pretty rigid, which is nice. Of course, it's going to offer nice camera protection as well as a raised bezel for your screen as well. All right, let's go ahead and pop our phone and take a quick look. This case is a bit rigid, so it's a little bit difficult in certain corners to get it in there. Now, this one is going to have the grips on the side and around the back, and this just makes everything less slippery, but I think it looks really, really nice. They do have a version of the case without the grips, so if you're not a fan of that, you can get that. Now, at the top corner, we have the Speck logo here, and you can also see that nice camera protection. So, of course, you can lay your phone down on a table, not worry about it. And same thing with the display. We have a nice raised bezel for our screen. And taking a look at the side here, you can see we have a nice cover for our power button. Everything's good there. And they do have a cutout for the camera button because it does have a capacitive portion on the top here. Now, I've seen other case makers implement this differently, but actually this is a pretty nice implementation. However, because it is open, you may get some dirt and debris in there over time, so just take the case off every now and again. Taking a look at the other side, we do have perfect cover for our action button and volume keys, and everything is super nice and clicky. On the bottom, perfect cutouts for our speaker, mic, and USB-C. And nothing on the top here. Now, personally, I think this is a really good looking case. So if you're looking for a case that's going to offer a pretty good drop protection for your camera screen, MagSafe, and that ClickLock feature, this is a really nice choice. Next case we're going to take a look at is the Presidio2 Pro. Now, this one is also going to offer 13 feet of drop protection. This has a soft touch back, and this case does come in a bunch of different colors, and this one is going to come in at a price of $49.99 also. Now, this one does not have the grips, as you can see, but it does have that nice soft touch material on the back, so it feels really nice in the hand. But again, you can see that pretty much the same rigidity as the clear case we just took a look at. It does have that gray interior, and you can see the buttons are gray as well as the corners. And this does have the cushion armor corners as well, so you've got that great drop protection. But taking a look here, you can see it looks really, really nice. Got a raised camera protection right here, so of course, can lay that flat on the table. And then same thing for the front, of course, we have that nice raised lip of protection all the way around for our display. Now, they've implemented this the same thing with the camera button here. So it's slightly indented, but it is not covered. So certain dirt may get in there over time. Just take the case off every now and again. Power button feels nice and clicky. And of course, we got covers for our action button, volume keys as well. And as you can see, perfect cutouts here as well. And that is a quick look at the Presidio2 Pro. And the last case we'll take a look at is the Presidio2 Grip. So very similar to the Presidio2 Pro, it's going to have that same soft touch material, but this is going to include the grips on the sides. Now, this one is also going to run $49.99, and this case does come in a bunch of different colors. The color I have here is charcoal gray, cool bronze, but it's going to offer the same drop protection of 13 feet. You got that no slip grip, MagSafe, and the ClickLock as well. So again, MagSafe here, not going to see it, but you'll see it on the back right here. And then you've also got that ClickLock for any of Speck's accessories that they offer. Now we'll go ahead and pop our phone in, take a quick look at it. And here we go. So as you can see, a nice raised camera bezel for our camera protection. We've got a nice raised lip around the front of the phone as well. It's going to offer protection for our display. Perfect button covers. And as you can see, same implementation with the camera cutout. So of course that's going to work just fine there. And power button as well. And great cutouts, as you can see on the bottom. So, and that is a quick look at the Presidio2 Grip. Two other accessories that were sent over. So we have the everywhere mount for MagSafe. So this has adhesive backing. You can put it maybe on a wall, and you can also use it on a tripod, which is pretty cool. And it uses that ClickLock technology. Now, this is also going to come in two different colors and comes in at a price of $29.99. So as you can see, we have that MagSafe ring here, and then you have the ClickLock. And then on the back, we have this adhesive backing as well as a tripod screw. So you can use that if you wanted to film with your phone, which I think is pretty cool. And then just to show you here, this is going to lock in right here, and then it just locks into place. So it actually will not move, as you can see here. We have a little Speck branding right there. There we go. And you can actually hear it when it locks into place. So yeah, so you can hear that little click lock right there. So it's locked into place and it is not going anywhere. And they also have this charging vent mount as well. So this is going to offer that MagSafe and ClickLock technology as well, and offers up to 15 watts of wireless charging. And this will just go on the vent on your car. And this comes in at a price of $49.99. So let's go ahead and open it up to see what it comes with here. It's going to come with a USB-C to USB-C cable. So if your car doesn't have that, you may have to use a different cable, but you may also not be able to get that full 15 watts of charging. Here's the mount itself. I think it looks pretty nice. And just to show you how that's going to look with your phone on there, and you can hear that lock into place, which is really nice. So I feel like that's going to be very sturdy as a mount. So I really like that. ClickLock, that's a really, really nice feature. And yeah, that is a quick look at that. So there you guys have a quick look at a few cases from Speck as well as some accessories. And if you're interested in any of these, I'll leave these linked down below. And they do have a couple more ClickLock accessories that are pretty cool as well. So definitely check those out. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.